Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the question types that will be set in your half yearly exam, of course in English. So here you can see in the page has been written here that reading comprehension scene. Okay, you can see here. Now let me tell you that from that particular section, that is the section scene. Okay, that means the scene passage you have read in your textbook. Okay. Now from those particular scene passages, because you have already got your syllabus of a half yearly exam, and I think so. So from those selected topics that has been given in your syllabus, one text will be selected as scene reading comprehension, something like that will be shown in your text in your screen. Okay, something like that. Now let me go forward, something like that. Okay, the scene has been given, and after the text you have to make the answers of those kind of questions. Okay, what kind of questions? Something like that. Answer the following questions, that may be, and then you have to make true or false, of course with supporting statement, and space will be provided in your question paper. Okay, now let's go forward. Type C, you can see here, find out word from the passage which mean the following. That is, some words or phrases will be given. You have to find out the similar meaning from the passage that will be given in the above section. Okay, now that will be part 1. Listen to me carefully. That will be part 1 under reading comprehension scene section. Okay, now question number 2, something like that. So one poem and one prose will be selected, and here you see the poem, the text has been written here, and after the text you can see here the questions. So the types of questions I think you all have easily understood. See here, answer the following questions. Type 1, complete the following sentence with information from the text. Type 2, given alternative questions to choose or to pick out the right one. That is type C. And the words, find out words, you have already given something like that questions. I have already told you. Okay. Now coming to the comprehension unseen. You know, unseen text will be selected from anywhere else. And from that unseen, the questions will be selected as those of selected from the scene passages. That is, answer the following questions, that is true or false with supporting statements, and also the complete the following sentences. Okay, important thing to remember, the section on which maximum students feel difficulty, that is find out words from the text from the above passage, because here the passage that is unknown to you, this is the passage, this is the unseen passage, it might be anything else, and this will be unknown to you. You have to read the text and then you have to understand the meaning of it, and next you have to find out the words. Okay, you have to find out the words. So I think this will not be any difficult to you if you read the text again and again and just try to understand the meaning of it. Then you can easily find out the word which I have to write beside the phrases beside the words that will be given. Okay, the grammar and vocabulary section. After that, we'll come forward to grammar and vocabulary sections. You know that you have already done many types of grammar such as narration change, voice change, also something like non-finite, participle to join or to infinitive to join, or phrasal verb, or find out the clauses, find out the phrases of the following sentence. This is the type. This kind of type will be selected in your exam paper. Okay, I have already taught you how to make the answers of such kind of grammars, that is to fill out the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions. Okay, and I have also make you do all kinds of questions from the question banks and also from your grammar books, that is highlights. I have already given you the answers of all those in the following links. So I think this will not be any difficult if you go through the grammar section, the text section, and also the types of grammars I have already given you. It will be very easy, all of you in the exam, to do all kinds of grammars. Okay, so from now we will practice our old tasks, our old homework tasks from question bank and from grammars. Okay, and also from scene passages, that is text. You will get all those answers, all those types of answers in the following links that I am going to give you periodically. Okay, that means now let's come forward to writing skill. This is very important. I have already make you understand that you have to write your own English. You have to write your own English. Though I have given you some task and also make you the answer in the following links, at least something 20 or 22, something like that. Though this will not be very difficult to all of you if you write in simple sentences, in simple English. Just try to understand the points and try to express it. Okay, so that's now. I think all of you understand the types and questions that will be set in your half yearly exam.